Plug it in, Joe, and we'll see what happens.
Hey again, everybody. Back again with the Conlon Part 3. I had a message on YouTube this morning from Steven Bennett. And Steven pointed out that, hey, the MP3 wiring that you've got, the output and also the input from the MP3, those wires are running very, very close to your HT lines. In fact, well, they're touching. He goes, could that be the reason you're picking up hum, given that HT is running 300 odd volts through it? And I thought straight away, yes, I just missed that completely. So I'm going to take Steven's advice. I'm going to reroute those wires away from the HT, get them up there somewhere as well, and see if that eliminates the hum completely. I certainly hope so. So I'm just going to unsolder the black and blue wire and run them down here, just jump them in for now and see if that solves the problem. And I'll just get myself ready. Okay, I'm ready. Wires have been jumpered together and time for the big test. So let's turn the power on and see if we get an improvement. I'll turn the volume down. There's still a bit of noise, but that's pretty good.
Australia, we have the Australian consumer law, and that prohibits unfair contract terms. So these are terms, the fine print, that sort of...
other voices heard.
There's some background white noise going through the stations. Again, I'm putting it down more to the antenna.
So in that instance, I would be complaining to Consumer Affairs or the ACCC.
Well, I'll tell you what.
And raising a complaint
let's,
there. Often, once the business
switch over to
contacted
MP3.
by,
and we'll just pick some radio show.
National Broadcasting Company presents a new comedy series, It's Higgins, Sir, created and transcribed by Paul Harrison, and starring Harry McNaughton as Higgins.
Dead quiet. A little bit of station bleed through. Take it off station.
All of us have dreamed of a day we might inherit great riches.
That's great. That is great.
An English butler.
Thank you, Stephen.
Well, that's what
Okay.
happened to the Roberts family of 21 Sunrise Road.
Turn that off.
Then,
All right, I'll just I'll reroute those wires permanently. Just add some extra length to them, and I think the job's done. So, guys, thank you very much, and it's been an interesting one. Oh, and by the way, Ken, if you're watching, those two resistors on the MP3 circuit, they are 1 ohm resistors. So yeah, I thought they were something else, but no, they're definitely 1 ohm. And yep, just the standard 10k providing the load to earth. So anyway, guys, job's done. Real short video, but I'm pleased. It's a great little radio now. So back in case it goes, and I hope never to have to look inside of it again. So catch you soon. See you guys. Bye.